Well, there's that timber one that's just got out. Oh, there.
Oh yeah.
Don't tell me he's got to wait for that one to go out of the way.
Yeah.
Has he got to wait for him to go out of the way?
When he turns right, now he'll go.
Is that what they have to do?
Turning right, he's going. There he goes.
So is that what they've got to wait for the aircraft to turn?
Yeah. That's why he starts to roll.
Right.
They call it rolling when he starts going, but then if you watch what he did then, he just released his brakes and powered off.
Right.
Because it'd be heavy then. It's 1,000 feet you have to get to.
Is it?
Yeah, before they can turn. So it's full power to 1,000 feet,
Yeah.
and then they release the power down and the bank.